Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh and you are probably now going to get a little brief about civil services exam. I know that most of you might be knowing about it, most of the details, right? There's a very famous saying that you have to push yourself, nobody is going to do it for you, and that is the correct probably statement I'm using for all the aspirants of civil services. Now, people have wide variety of perspectives that we are going to do it if we have these notes. We can do it if we get the access to such books, or if we enroll in a coaching, right? That is not what civil services is about. It is more about your conviction, your will, right? This is not a goal that you have rented from somebody. It is your own goal. And if you're doing it because somebody else wants you to do it, if you're doing it because your neighbors want you to do it, or probably your parents want it, right? So definitely that can give you an emotional push, that can give you an edge or a starting point, a takeoff, right? But it will not help you continue the motivation for a long period of time. And that happens with most of the students, right? Majority of the students, they start very well, right? They take a good stance and ultimately end up scoring a bad run, right? That is a big problem. So considering all that, our advice to the new aspirants, to the budding aspirants, to the newcomers in this field would be very precise, very brief, right? Two things are very important. Okay, there are aspirants who are motivated, and there are aspirants who motivate. Okay, there are only two kinds of aspirants, right? I would never say that aspirants are capable or incapable. That is not a classification for this examination. So there are aspirants who are motivated, and there are aspirants who motivate. Now, which one you want to be, right? The third category would be obviously those who inspire, like you see the results of so many people and then you get inspired. Okay, will that inspiration convert into perspiration? That is the question. So for that, right, obviously we are striving for that excellence. We are putting that effort for you. And in case you have any doubts and queries, you can always reach out to us at synergyraftar.com, or you can visit this website, right? And you can contact us, you can call us. Queries and doubts are welcome from all the newcomers, all the beginners who are going to start their preparation, whether it is concerning the optional or the general studies, or probably the prelims, or even a small factor like, you cannot concentrate on your studies, you cannot remember certain things, facts are boring for you, newspaper reading becomes cumbersome. So you might have a variety of questions, you might have a variety of doubts, right? They may be minuscule, they may be Herculean, it doesn't matter, right? What we intend is that you must be engaged in this process, right? And for this we are always there, and that is what we are striving for, right? So you can visit us, you can visit the website, you can visit the institute, Karol Bagh, right? New Delhi. Obviously many students know us, right? Monty sir is one of the legends of this field. So we both are striving to contribute with a very good and effective team we have to help you out, right? So that was just about a little bit of motivation, right? For very specific programs, very specific details regarding various courses, you can always visit us and talk to us. And like I said, you don't need to be a student of Synergy to have access to that information. You can always call us up, right? So as as an elder brother, or as your well-wisher, or probably you can take us just as one who can direct you, right? We are always free, we are always welcome, right, to do so, right? So all the best to all of you, right? Take care, work hard, right? Success is not final, neither failure is fatal, right? It is the courage to continue that counts, right? The Winston Churchill statement. So I would like to finish this interaction with this, right? Keep watching us on YouTube or website for further details, on Facebook, right, on Instagram, various social handles. We are available, and we are always willing and ready to contribute to your success. Thank you so much.